We're right now at Itaewon. Semua budak-budak gila ni tengah ambil the degree. Kau pun sama perempuan? Kau pun sama Sia. Itaewon, go go go. Ada lip. Itaewon. Makan what? Makan makanan what? India. Makan India. Makan nasi biryani. But you slept already. I slapped you again. You sleep in the train 2 times. Yeah. Kalau tidur sekejap-sekejap itu memang rasa penat lah. Ya. Hidung pun tengok sikit.
Happy.
Why?
You got pretty shopping, is it? You like hidung so much. You got people to escalator and see.
Okay, nanti dah kat luar.
See the map of Korea.
Wow.
This is the whole MRT subway line.
Mampus.
We are here. Let's find our place. We are staying here. See, we just walk 2 finger.
Oh, it's far. It's far too. Your 2 finger is far.
We walk until here.
I see you outside, okay?
We are outside.
Bye.